complete today. Which vehicle do you want to choose? Truck! I'm Kiki, the truck driver. This is the work we need to complete today. Let's get to work. Before we go, let's have the vehicle checked. The tire is fine. The vehicle has a full tank. The rear-view mirrors are clean. The license plate is crooked. Let's fix it. The license plate is fixed. Awesome! Great! The maintenance is finished. Let's load it up. Drag the goods into the vehicle. Great! The loading is done. Fasten your seatbelt and get ready to go. Drive the truck to deliver goods. We have to avoid the obstacles on the road. We made it to our destination! Load the goods! Thanks for your hard work. See you next time.